Hello everyone, I'm Phil Williams with Sioux Power Tools here in the Air Power Lab in High Point. Just want to talk to you today about our one-piece drop-in motor on our ergonomic drills. These tools are made in North Carolina, in Murphy by the way, but in addition to our ergonomic grip, which has finger rest on both sides because you want to point at what you're drilling or fastening, not only for ergonomics but for accuracy. But the other item I want to talk about is our one-piece drop-in motor. So what you do is you remove the gear housing or gear set. The one-piece, one-part number motor comes out. It can be repaired and or replaced by your maintenance department and or the operator. We recommend Air Power. But you put the motor back in, put the gear set back on, tighten it down to specs, put it back into production, and the tool stays in the plant or facility. Any more questions about this, feel free to reach out to Air Power. Thank you.